This is what happens when you don't turn your water off in the winter and drain your pipes. It's gonna have stuff on, so don't touch the thread part.
Now I got the stuff all over my fingers.
I told you not to touch the thread part. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix a leaky pipe. This goes to the outside faucet of the house. So we have our shutoff valve here. And it's not leaking when it's in the opposition, so I know this actual shutoff valve is not leaking, but somewhere on the pipe, from this pipe to the outside faucet connection, is leaking. So if I turn this on, you can see we're getting it up here in here. So we need to figure out what part of this connection is leaking. So we're gonna take out part of this copper pipe and replace it. So you can see when I open up the pipe here, there's a huge gash. That's crazy. So it looks like we're just gonna have to replace this section of the pipe here. This comes as one section for the outside faucet. You can get them in different lengths. And you can see there's a screw-on connection here. So I'm gonna test the other connections for the copper pipe, but it looks like we can just unscrew this connection here, that male threaded connection, and then just replace that. All right, so here's the outside connection for that faucet. Remember, inside there was a gash on the top of the whole assembly here. So this is one. They come in either 6-inch through 8-inch, maybe 10-inch pipes here. So we just need to remove this whole unit. So first we're gonna take the screws out. And then we'll be able to just unthread it, because as you saw inside, that connection was just copper pipe to a female. So they sweated a female threaded connection on there, and then this just threads into that. So first take these off. And this is really just a cover. So I don't think I'll be able to just unthread it like this. Oh, I can. Okay. So it wasn't on there very good. So, well, it's nothing to do with the leak. So we're just unthreading this from the copper connection inside. And then you can see, this is what happens when you don't turn your water off in the winter and drain your pipes. So drain your pipes. All right, so we got our new 8-inch frost-free faucet here. We're gonna put in with the threaded connector. Make sure you get the right one, because they do have ones that are push fitting or sweat to connect fittings. So make sure if you have threaded connection, you get the threaded version. All right, so I got some Teflon tape here. I'm just gonna thread it on in the direction that when you screw it in, it'll tighten. So when you're screwing in this way, it'll actually tighten the tape. If you put it on the other direction, it would make the tape unravel. It's supposed to be clockwise. And then I'm going to use some pipe dope. Just a little bit around the connection here. All right, you ready?
All right, go ahead.
It's gonna have stuff on, so don't touch the thread part.
Now I got the stuff all over my fingers.
I told you not to touch the thread part. Is it going in? All right, so obviously you want this to be oriented this way, so kind of crank it on until all right, that's good. And this little washer behind it has an opening, so you want that to be down. And then I'm just using a couple treated screws to screw it in. Oop, well, it's not gonna catch. See if I can.
That was a good shot too.
Was it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, I mean, honestly, I was looking at the screen to be able to get it in there, but I couldn't see it.
Nice. All right, so I'm just doing it at an angle to get out of the old hole. Maybe, or not. Let's see if we can get something to grab. One of them did grab pretty good, so it's not the end of the world if this one doesn't. Let's see if we can try it over here. There we go. That's pretty solid. And then you're gonna wanna caulk this upper section so no water gets in here. All right, we got the new faucet in. You can see the difference here. Again, this is why you turn your water off in the winter and then drain your pipe. But you can see it's a pretty easy thing to replace. They just come in different lengths. This was 8-inch, they come in 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, with either a threaded connection or a sweat-on connection or a push-to-fit connection. But I would highly recommend the either threaded with the Teflon tape and the pipe dope or a sweat connection. Don't put a shark bite on there. So you can see here, we got the new one, and you really want to make sure you caulk this top section so no water gets in there. And then on the other side, next to the wood, you want to spray foam so there are no drafts or cold air that are getting in here too. Leave a comment if you have any other suggestions or questions, and see you next time.